Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm feeling like chocolate cake. Actually, the cake is called Death by Chocolate Cake. All right? It's a little more complicated than the last cake I made, which only had 3 ingredients, but it's very easy to do. It's not complicated. It's the cake mix, pudding mix, chocolate chips, chocolate frosting. It's going to be good. Tell you what, comes out of that oven with a tall glass of milk. Hey, some of you might want a tall, cold beer with your cake. Why not, right? Stick around. All right, guys. All right, guys. We ready? Death by Chocolate Cake. All right. Real quick, I went ahead and I greased this 8x8 square pan, and I, instead of using a flour to dust the pan, I used a cocoa powder, cocoa mix powder. Dust that pan real well and gets a little extra flavor and coating to the cake. All right, just a little tip. Also, ingredients used here. I'm using just the HEB Hill Country Fairy, the cheap cake mix. Instead of spending the money on Betty Crocker or Heinz and all that, or whatever. Um, Believe me, all the other ingredients going to come in here is going to make it taste like a bakery cake, like you paid big money for it. Trust me. So we put the cake mix in the bowl. Then we're gonna come up with again Hill Country Fare, just cheap 50-cent box of pudding mix in there. And we're gonna give that a stir. Get a little whisk here. I'm sorry. Just kind of blend that first. Okay. Get your dry ingredients first in there. Get that going. All right. And then we're gonna come with our wet. And our wet ingredients are gonna be water, oil, and sour cream. All right. Got half a cup of oil. No, actually, gonna go with 2 cups of water first. Actually, that was 1 cup of water. I'm sorry. 1 cup of water. Half a cup of oil. Use vegetable oil. And 1 cup of sour cream. Okay. This is what's gonna keep it oh so moist. Trust me. All right. Get that in there. Incorporate it well. 3 eggs. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Get this on there. Lock it up. Slow speed first. Just incorporate everything. And then I'm going to kick it up on about a medium speed, just to get some air fluff in it. And we're going to let that beat for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and we'll come back and fold the chocolate chips in. Okay? All right, our 2 minutes are up. We'll slow it down a little bit. If you want to just come to complete stop. Basically, you want that air whipped in there. There we go. Lock it. See how thick that is. All right, try to get some of this off of here. It's really thick. But trust me, it's gonna be oh so light and fluffy. All right, get that off of there. Let's try to get some more of that off of there. It's not that hard to do, and it's just more cake, right? So. All right, now here's where we're gonna fold in what's supposed to be 2 cups of chocolate chips. Okay, one of these, what is it, 16-ounce pack? Well, 1 cup. This is 1 cup. Okay, try to fold that in there best you can. I had 2 cups to these bags, but somehow, some way, one disappeared. Don't ask me, I don't know. All my girls here in the house are claiming that they don't know. So, whatever. But, trust me, it's still gonna be awesome. But the recipe calls for two full cups, 2 bags of this here. Alright, that's folded in. Now we'll get this in this cake pan. And get this moved out of the way so we can get a better angle, okay? Alright guys. Get this into this pan here. All this chocolatey goodness. Tell you what, it's gonna be awesome. It is gonna be good. Tell you what, cold glass of milk. Right after good barbecue, I'm telling you, cannot go wrong. You like chocolate like I like chocolate, and who doesn't like chocolate, right? There we go. Trust me, guys, it's gonna be money. All right, 350-degree oven for 35 minutes, and it's gonna come out and gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Trust me. It looks good just like that, doesn't it? Come on, come on. All right, guys, get this in the oven. All right, guys. As you can see, the cake is cooled. It's fallen, as I showed in my pics earlier. But that's all right. That's how you want it to be. And yeah, we're gonna flip it over. Hopefully, it's done its little job. There you go. All right. Alright, it's fine. Flip it from there. Like I said, it's not a beauty contest by any means. It's death by chocolate cake, okay? Then we're going to come back and we're going to drizzle it like so. And it's all up to you, however you want to do it. Want to go a little more? We can go a little more. Yeah? Go a little more on this side. And that's it. That's all you got to do. It's all eyeball. Okay? Just eyeball it. Like I say, it's not pretty. It's not a wedding cake by any means. But trust me. Trust me. It's gonna be awesome. Now, we're gonna let it cool overnight. I am anyway. It's already kind of late. Let it cool, let it sit. That icing will glaze over. In the morning, glass of milk, cup of coffee. We're gonna tear it up. Bring it back in the morning. Hey guys. All right, so it's been overnight. I've actually left this morning and got back to the house just a few minutes ago. Come to taste this cake, and I checked it, and somebody beat me to it. Yeah, come to find out, my daughter had some cake for breakfast. She didn't know I hadn't filmed it. I hadn't done a taste on it yet, but that's cool. As I stated last night, it's not a pretty cake. but it's a tasty cake. It's got a brownie consistency, okay? It's real thick. It's very, very rich, but it's good. Now, you can make it pretty by putting it in a bundt or a double pan. I actually put it in a pan with a little too much batter for that cake pan. That's why it kind of overflowed and sank in the middle. But like I said, it's not a beauty cake by any means. It's just a good chocolate cake. All right, gonna go ahead and give her a sample here. Let me get on the other side of the camera. Hey guys, all right, gonna try out this cake. Like I say, it's got a brownie-like consistency. It's real thick, sliced kind of thin, as you can see, but it's really, really good. Very rich. Glass of milk. It's very good. It is very, very chocolatey, of course, but yeah, give it a shot. Try it out. So good. You know why my daughter ate a big chunk of it earlier? All right, guys. Death by chocolate cake. Not complicated. It's not pretty. It can be pretty, like I said, if you do it right and do it in the right pan, but I'm mad about that. I just wanted some cake. All right, guys. Catch you in the next one.